Hey DIY enthusiasts! Whether you're a seasoned homeowner or just starting your DIY journey, having the right tools can make all the difference. Today, I'll walk you through 10 essential DIY tools that every homeowner should have in their toolkit. These are not just tools. They're problem solvers, time savers, and must-haves for any project. Let's dive right in. Number 1. The water heater cleaning tool is an essential solution for maintaining the performance and longevity of your water heater. This pro-grade DIY tool delivers multiple benefits, including extending the life of your water heater, improving its efficiency, and reducing energy costs. By effectively removing hard water sediment and breaking up large deposits at the bottom of the tank, it enhances your hot water supply and ensures optimal performance. Unlike other methods that only address loose particles, this tool physically agitates and flushes out stubborn buildup. Compatible with both gas and electric water heaters, the universal design makes it suitable for nearly all tank models. Though it is not intended for tankless systems, the clear housing provides visibility during use, allowing you to monitor the sediment removal process. It's quick and easy to install through the tank's drain valve without needing to drain the tank. Simply attach it to a cordless drill and a standard garden hose for effective cleaning. Engineered for durability and protection, the impact-resistant polycarbonate housing and smooth spring agitator ensure safety for essential tank components, even at low drill speeds. This tool offers a straightforward and efficient way to maintain your water heater, paying for itself in just one use. Number 2. The wire twister tool for drill is a versatile and efficient solution for tackling various wiring tasks with ease. Designed for 8, 10, 12, and 14 AWG gauge wires, this tool combines precision craftsmanship and durable materials to ensure long-lasting performance. The wire stripper is constructed from high-quality zinc alloy, while the twisting tool is forged from cast steel using a high-temperature extraction process. With exceptional hardness, wear resistance, and heat resistance, it stands up to the rigors of daily use. Ideal for electricians and DIY enthusiasts, this tool simplifies the process of stripping and twisting wires. Its quick coupler is compatible with common household and electronic cables in the United States, Canada, Mexico, and the Philippines, handling both single and multi-strand wires effortlessly. Featuring a 6mm hexagonal shank, it fits most standard electric drills, screwdrivers, and wrenches, meeting U.S. standards for reliability and precision. This tool is particularly useful for automotive repairs, household wiring, and construction projects. By streamlining wire stripping and twisting tasks, it reduces the risk of hand and wrist injuries while minimizing fatigue. Whether in a workshop, garage, or construction site, the wire twister tool offers unmatched convenience and dependability for a wide range of applications. Number 3. The Kendo 6 pieces HSS damaged screw extractor set is a reliable and efficient solution for removing stripped, damaged, rusted, embedded, or painted over screws and bolts. Designed for universal compatibility, this extractor set works with screws and bolts ranging from 3mm to 12mm and fits seamlessly with any drill, making it an essential addition to your toolkit. Crafted from high-speed steel HSS 4341 with an impressive 63 HRC hardness, this industrial-grade extractor set boasts superior durability and longevity compared to most alternatives on the market. Its robust construction ensures reliable performance, even with the toughest and most stubborn screws. The set is user-friendly, requiring just 2 simple steps to complete the job. First, use the remover head to create a deeper hole in the damaged screw or bolt. Then, switch to the extractor head to effortlessly remove it. The Kendo set includes 6 extractor bits, number 0, number 1, number 2, number 2, number 3, number 4, and comes in a sturdy, compact case for easy storage and organization. Whether you're tackling a DIY project or handling professional repairs, this versatile screw extractor set is a must-have for any toolbox. Number 4. The ZKH 9-inch strap wrench is a versatile and durable tool for professional plumbers and DIY enthusiasts. Built with high-quality chromium vanadium steel, Its forged handle ensures unstoppable durability, making it a reliable companion for even the toughest tasks. This strap wrench features a widened anti-skid teeth design, offering a secure grip and preventing slippage during critical installations or disassemblies. The thickened, wear-resistant belt enhances durability, ensuring long-lasting performance without the risk of breaking. Comfort and control are prioritized with a two-color dip-molded handle, which is non-slip and oil-resistant. This ergonomic design provides a firm and comfortable grip, enabling you to work confidently and efficiently. Its adjustable strap allows for flexibility in handling a variety of object sizes, whether you're working in tight spots or on larger tasks. The 9-inch strap wrench is perfect for smaller, precision tasks, while the 11-inch version offers additional reach and strength for bigger jobs. Whether you're dealing with plumbing repairs, assembly, or general maintenance, the ZKH strap wrench delivers exceptional performance and reliability, making it an indispensable addition to your toolkit. Number 5. The 2-piece dual head nail setter and door hinge pin remover tool set is a compact, efficient solution for woodworking, home improvement, and fabrication tasks. Crafted from hardened steel with individual heat treatment, these tools offer exceptional durability and precision. The engraved size labels make it easy to identify the tool heads, enhancing usability. The set includes a dual head nail setter with 1/32 inch and 1/16 inch ends, perfect for setting finish nails, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6, without damaging the surrounding wood. The door hinge pin remover, with a 1/8 inch head, simplifies the process of removing hinge pins and also doubles as a transfer punch for fabrication projects, ensuring precision without unintended movement or damage to the trim. Designed for tight spaces, these tools eliminate the need for bulky hammers. They deliver efficient striking force, making them ideal for delicate and precise tasks. Each tool is lightweight and measures between 4.56 and 5.3 inches, allowing for easy storage in tool clips, holsters, or even pencil-sized pockets. Whether you're a woodworker, decorator, or DIY enthusiast, this set offers versatility, durability, and portability, making it a must-have addition to any toolbox. Number 6. The IRODA SolderPro Butane Soldering Iron Kit is a versatile and efficient tool designed to meet the needs of professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. This 3-in-1 cordless soldering iron delivers 25 to 80 watt of adjustable power, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, from quick electrical repairs to detailed crafting projects. Heating up in just 17 seconds, the SolderPro ensures minimal downtime, allowing for rapid responses to urgent repair jobs. Powered by butane, this tool offers complete cordless flexibility, enabling you to work anywhere without relying on an electrical outlet. A game changer for on-site tasks or outdoor projects. The adjustable flame control provides precision, allowing you to tailor the intensity for different materials and intricate soldering tasks. With up to 53 minutes of continuous use on a single butane refill, the SolderPro ensures extended work sessions without interruptions, enhancing your productivity and convenience. Compact and user-friendly, this soldering iron is an indispensable addition to any toolkit, whether you're tackling professional repairs or pursuing hobby projects. Its combination of portability, quick heat-up, and versatility makes it a reliable and efficient solution for all your soldering needs. Number 7. The Secone 1800W heat gun is a powerful and versatile tool designed for a wide range of heating applications. With a quick heat-up time of just 1.5 seconds, it can reach temperatures up to 1202 degrees Fahrenheit, 650 degrees Celsius, providing 2 adjustable modes for precision. Mode 1, 50 to 450 degrees Celsius, 190 to 210 liters per minute, and Mode 2, 50 to 650 degrees Celsius, 250 to 500 liters per minute. This dual-mode functionality ensures flexibility for various tasks, whether delicate or heavy-duty. A standout feature is the variable temperature control, allowing precise adjustments with a black dial and a high and low switch for airflow management. The built-in overheat protection system ensures safety and longevity by preventing damage to the tool and its circuitry. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the handle minimizes strain during extended use, making it comfortable and easy to operate. This heat gun is perfect for tasks such as shrinking heat shrink tubes, wrapping, heating PVC, electronics repair, paint or floor tile removal, rusted bolt loosening, and more. The kit includes 4 nozzle accessories to enhance efficiency: a deflector nozzle for targeted heat patterns, 2 concentrator nozzles for concentrated heat flow, and a reflector nozzle for even heat distribution. Durable and reliable, the Secone heat gun is an essential addition to any toolkit. Number 8. The RexBeauty Razer Blade Scraper tool is a reliable and durable tool designed for heavy-duty cleaning and scraping tasks. This 2-pack set is built with high-quality materials, ensuring long-lasting performance and the ability to handle tough jobs with ease. The scrapers feature a 3-position mechanism, allowing easy retraction and extension of blades. Blade replacement is quick and straightforward, maintaining efficiency during use. The set includes 30 metal blades, ideal for rough surfaces like cement floors and hardened stains, and 50 plastic blades, perfect for delicate surfaces such as glass and wood floors, ensuring no damage. All blades are sharp, durable, and packaged in a reusable plastic box for convenient storage. These scrapers are versatile and suitable for removing stickers, labels, adhesive, grease, and caulks from surfaces like glass, countertops, wood floors, tiles, and metals. They are also effective for cleaning old wallpaper, paint, and grime from walls, tables, chairs, and window frames. Designed for convenience and efficiency, this set is a valuable addition to both professional and DIY toolkits. Number 9. The T-shaped Carpenter Layout Scriber is a versatile tool designed to meet a wide range of woodworking needs. It combines multiple functions, including marking, measuring, and slotting, making it a must-have for carpenters and DIY enthusiasts. The tool allows you to mark precise layout lines, and its caliper-like feature helps you measure the diameter of drill bits, improving your overall efficiency and accuracy. With its fine-tuning design, the Scriber features brass screws that can be adjusted to achieve the desired precision. The T-shaped head has a measuring range of 0 to 90 millimeters, while the main scale measures up to 210 millimeters, 8.27 inches, offering flexibility for various tasks. The tool is made of high-quality aluminum alloy, and its anodized green surface ensures durability and resistance to wear. The laser-engraved metric and imperial scales provide clear and accurate readings, enhancing readability and ease of use. The tool slides smoothly along the guide rail, allowing for quick and easy marking and measurement. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort and portability, making it convenient for long working hours. Whether you're marking, measuring, or slotting, this tool is a reliable companion for any woodworking project. Number 10. The 25-in-1 multifunction wire strippers are a versatile tool designed for electricians, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals working with electrical systems. This 8-inch wire crimping tool is made from high-quality CRV high-hardness steel and chromium vanadium steel, ensuring durability and long-term use. The tool features a rust-resistant coating, making it more reliable over time. It includes additional upgrades such as springs and safety switches for improved performance and convenience. Ideal for a variety of applications, this tool is perfect for stripping, cutting, and crimping copper wire, aluminum wire, sheathed core wire, cable, and multiple sheathed wires. Whether you're working in an industrial, domestic, or electrical setting, this tool enhances efficiency and makes your work easier. It is designed to handle wire sizes from 3 to 14 AWG, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of electrical tasks. The ergonomic handle is made from TPR material, offering a comfortable, textured grip that reduces hand fatigue during prolonged use. This tool provides a secure hold and is easy to use for tasks such as stripping wires without damaging the wire core, bending, shaping, and pulling wires. It is an essential tool for both professional electricians and DIY projects, ensuring efficiency and accuracy in every task.